Hello everyone, my name is Akash and this is Know Your Bicycle. So today we have Vivek who just now bought a doodle for himself, and it's gonna be a family affair as Bhabhi is gonna ride it too. As and when the kid will grow up, they will also cherish the bike. So let me ask Vivek how in the world he got to know about eMotorrad and why did he choose doodle over all the other bikes in the world? Yes,
Yeah,
Vivek.
hi Akash. So I've been following this bike since long now. I think it's over a year now that I've been looking after for a foldable cycle. And there are about a couple of competitors in the market. Like for example, Switches have been doing selling their cycles, but it's quite expensive. Though this particular cycle comes pretty economical. This is a cargo cycle and government is also giving subsidy. And for now,
True.
for this particular period of time, I think I bought it for 4,999, 4 times 9. Right? Exactly. So 49,999.
Yes,
to be
exactly.
Exact. And the government would be giving 50,000 of subsidy. It would come across to be about 35,000.
Definitely.
Right? And plus with that, we've got the scheme that you'll get a helmet, pump, as well as a lock.
Definitely.
So that would be an add-on. If you buy that from the market, I think that would cost you about 4,000 rupees of extra bucks. So which is obviously you're saving on that, right? Plus if you ride it on a daily basis for your minimum commute also, you can put it in your car also, take it anywhere. So we've been mountaineers, we've been doing a lot of trips. So I like traveling a lot. तो हमेशा मुझे ये लगता है कि कभी भी कहीं पर भी जाता हूँ तो I miss a scooter or I miss a two-wheeler or probably my cycle. So if I carry my cycle on my car, so मुझे हमेशा कभी वो मुझे सही नहीं लगा because it raises your car breath and you've got a challan also if a couple of people don't know about it, but you can keep it inside your diggy. Right?
Definitely.
कहीं पे भी ले
Portable
जाओ
तो है.
कहीं पे भी ले जाओ और you can have fun.
पोर्टेबल तो है.
राइट पोर्टेबल है और कार्गो भी है. किसी को अगर अपना काम वाम भी करना है तो यू कैन हैव इट बास्केट अप हियर एंड बास्केट अप हियर आल्सो. ठीक है. तो आई एम नॉट गोना डू दैट दो.
बच्ची को स्कूल छोड़ सकते हैं.
So overall it's a fun bike, right?
बच्चे को तो स्कूल मैम लेने जाया करेगी अब इसके ऊपर और मैम छोड़ने भी जाया करेंगे बच्चे को.
So I think overall it's a fun bike, right?
Yeah, it is going to be a fun bike for sure.
I'm glad that you bought the right thing, and I hope that you have a great ride on it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope Bhabhi you also love the ride, right?
Yes, it's easy to ride.
Uh-huh.
And like I found the tires very attractive.
Okay.
And actually he was looking for electrical cycle from long. So he
Okay.
ended up choosing Doodle.
Wow. So it's a long research, went well, and a day well spent.
Well spent, sir.
EV
And thank you for
in a hand.
cooperating. I think Akash has cooperated a lot. We have unboxed it just now.
Yeah, box is right over there.
And it took us just I think 12 minutes approx to totally unbox the cycle and make it go.
Appreciate it, and that's my job. And I hope you have a great time with the bike. Thank you so much.